What's the best painkiller for an arthritic hip? For most people, simple paracetamol is usually enough. It's cheap and it's cheerful. You can take up to 8 tablets a day in divided doses. If you need something a bit stronger, then a combination of paracetamol and codeine can be helpful, particularly if you take it before you go to bed. You can buy over-the-counter pills that contain 8 milligrams of codeine. If you need something a bit stronger, then you'll need a prescription. These pills usually contain 30 milligrams of codeine, which packs quite a punch. Codeine can make you feel a bit drowsy, and it often causes constipation, which isn't great. But what about anti-inflammatories? Well, ibuprofen is something that can be bought over the counter, and you can take it together with paracetamol and codeine. Your GP can give you a prescription for more powerful anti-inflammatories like naproxen and meloxicam. These are very effective, but you usually have to take a medication like lansoprazole or omeprazole with them. These drugs help to reduce the risk of developing a peptic ulcer, which is one of the complications of taking anti-inflammatories for a long time. Medical conditions like diabetes, kidney disease and some lung conditions can be made worse by anti-inflammatories. Your GP will advise you on the risks and benefits. Also, if you're taking aspirin or blood thinners like rivaroxaban, apixaban or warfarin, it's best not to take anti-inflammatories at the same time. Some people find that anti-inflammatory gels are soothing, but they're usually best for things like bursitis or tennis elbow. There are other things you can try like TENS machines. These use electrical stimulation to change the way that the sensation of pain is perceived. Some people find them very useful, and as they don't use drugs, they're very safe. What about things like copper and magnetic bracelets? Well, there isn't much hard evidence that I've seen to show that they work, but at least they're harmless. More and more people with chronic pain problems are turning to things like CBD, cannabis oil. It's not licensed or approved for use in the UK, but it is now legal to buy it. There's a very good summary on the Versus Arthritis site that I'll post below. It discusses other things like turmeric, fish oils and capsaicin, all of which some people find helpful. And if all else fails, well, you know what to do. Give me a call, we can talk about how hip surgery might help you. Heal with steel, as we hip surgeons say. Thanks for watching.